Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. In this video, we will talk about the features of the ecological style in landscape design, the popularity of which is due to the human desire for the natural beauty of nature. After all, eco-style is a kind of embodiment of the genetic memory of the pristine harmony of the natural landscape. When zoning, it is necessary to observe the main rule: do not isolate the zones from each other. There must be stylistic unity between them. It is also important to ensure smooth transitions from one zone to another. The recreation area can be highlighted by a tall tree, under which a cozy hut will hide, from which a view of the barbecue area fire and a path running into the forest beyond the side boundary will open. Convenience and simplicity, no clear lines, and symmetry. Such zoning is alien to nature, which means it is not suitable for an eco-garden either. It is not worth arranging a lawn as such in an eco-garden, and even more so to level the surface under it. If grass cover already exists on the site, then it is wiser to preserve it by moving and sowing seeds of clover or wildflowers. You can sow the seeds of the moorish lawn for uniform germination when sowing. They must be mixed with sand, 1 part of the seeds to 3 parts of the sand. Caring for such a long glade, when it takes root and grows, is very simple. The most important thing is to regularly water and mow it in the fall 10 centimeters from the soil. Paths. Their paths should look natural. They can mount in various directions. Paths lined with gravel or even better natural stone will also look good, but it's better to make them not straight and without curves. Paths are also arranged from wooden saw cuts or boards of natural color. It is generally better to refuse fences, allowing your site to be part of a common ecosystem, but if you cannot do without them, they should merge with the surrounding landscape. Fences made of unpainted wood, vertical gardening on a natural basis, dense shrubs, mounds of natural stones. The main decoration of the site should be objects of natural origin: forest trees, huge boulders, snags, and tall stumps. Such natural small forms will not only decorate the site but also help in the arrangement of zones. For example, a tree with a twisted trunk will be an excellent basis for a rope swing in a children's area, and a house can hide in its foliage. Boulders and stumps will become furniture for a recreation area with a barbecue. Garden furniture, for the manufacture of which any natural materials are suitable, saw cuts, raw branches, natural stone, etc., must be unpainted. The barbecue area is best located closer to the border of the site. The ideal option is a hearth fireplace surrounded by stylized branches made of logs, natural stone, or just stumps. The same rule applies to the gazebos, the ideal option of which is a hut or its styling. The gazebo should be minimalistic, comfortable, made only from natural materials. It is very good if it does not stand out among the general landscape, but is, as it were, built into it. To do this, you can use the trunks of living trees or boulders as supports and load-bearing beams. The ideal solution for an eco-garden is a natural reservoir. A stream or river, and even part of a swamp will harmoniously fit into the overall design. If the reservoir has to be made with your own hands, then the main task is to give it the appearance of a natural one. So a pond can look like a forest lake, on the banks of which plants that are natural for the area grow. It is very important to use all the plants that grow on the site with maximum benefit. This is their natural environment and the guarantee that the eco-garden will be green without much effort. It is worth preserving all types of forest trees without trying to replace birch trees with fir trees, for which this soil may simply not be suitable. In the eco-garden, you can use any wild shrubs that will serve as fences in the allocation of zones. Lilac, mock orange, elderberry, drane, wild raspberry are perfect. Eco-style in landscape design gives a person the opportunity to get as close to natural as possible, merge with it, making their housing part of a natural ecosystem. According to leading designers, this style is the future and its popularity will only grow.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.